Good morning, everybody. Today I'm gonna be replacing the fog light bulbs on this 2009 BMW X5 E70 series. It's pretty straightforward. I'm just gonna replace them because it's time for them to be replaced and upgraded to LEDs. I'll show you how it's done, and we'll take it step by step. Alright, so the way this works is, in order to get to this bulb right here, you gotta remove this vent here. It's not even a vent really, it's some kind of fascia portion of the front bumper. What you're doing technically, right down here, there's a couple of slots, which are basically tabs. You put a flat screwdriver on either one of them, and if you can't do it with one, you gotta definitely put it on both of them, and just push downward and pull it out. It's only this portion right here that will come out, and then you sneak your hand in there. Sorry about the cars driving by. So let's get started. Like I said, just put a screwdriver in here and those two tabs, maybe two if you're having a hard time taking them out, and just pry it off. There you go. It's the entire part that comes out. Now you put your hand on there, find the light bulb, and you give it a corner clockwise turn. Actually, it's half a turn. And just wiggle it until you get it out of there. That's the bulb. Now the bulbs, both sides have two tabs in here. Press on the tabs and just pull it outward. That's it. What you want to do for the next step is wear gloves, because you're going to be touching the new bulbs with your hands and put the oils, your hand oils on the bulbs. They eventually damage the bulb. So I'm going to grab a pair of latex gloves. So basically we're going to do the reverse here. This is the bulb. As you can see, it only goes one way. There's a notch right here, and there's a tab in there, so you gotta keep it on that side. Anyway, it will only go one way, so you can't go wrong. Once you're done plugging it in nicely, put it back in, find the right spot, and give it that turn. Now you're just going counterclockwise. And that's it. It's in place. Now we're gonna get this piece. Pretty straightforward also. All you gotta do is just push it in, put the bottom in first, and give it a push on top to get the two tabs locking in. And there's also another tab right here. Make sure this lines up straight, and give it a quick push right there. Make sure this is in place. There you go. That's it. It's in place. Here's the new bulb. Everything's back in place. And that's that. I'm not going to show you the other side because basically it's the same thing you did here. Just reverse follow the steps on the other side. Hope this is helpful. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, sharing, all the other good stuff that YouTube offers. Thank you.